Oh, hi there. It's unicorn story time. Dance with me. Do you remember a hello song? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? Now it's time for story time. Unicorn Thinks He's Pretty Great by Bob Shea. Things are a lot different around here since that unicorn moved in. I thought I was pretty cool when I rode my bike to school. Until that show off went flying by. Or the time that I made marshmallow squares that almost came out right. He made it rain cupcakes. Then at the big talent show, I was dropping my signature dance moves when he steps up with some serious prancing and wins first prize. That's not all. It gets much, much worse. Check out this great magic trick that I totally invented. Okay, close your eyes. Keep them closed. Ta-da! While your eyes were closed, I pulled this quarter out from behind your ear. Nice, right? Well, when I get to school to try it out, he's turning stuff into gold. I can't follow that. Dopey Unicorn thinks he's so great. How can anyone be friends with that guy? Look at me, I'm Unicorn. I think I'm so cool. Blah, 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 blah. Well, this goat's not buying it. Great, here he comes. What is that heavenly smell? Goat cheese pizza. I'm a goat. What? Goats have cheese? Unicorns don't have cheese. May I try? This cheese is fantastic. So creamy and delicious. It's also good smeared on a tin can or sprinkled on some garbage. Lucky I can only eat glitter and rainbows. My sensitive stomach. Whoa! What is up with your hooves? Those things are out of control. Oh, these bad boys are cloven. That means they're split at the end. They let me stand on steep hills or climb to the tops of mountains. Oh man, I can't stand there or climb those. My regular hooves. Don't be so hard on yourself. Just look at your fantastic horn. That thing is nuts. It's just for show. All it's good for is pointing. I can't play soccer. One headbutt and it's game over. Pain in the neck, horn. I bet those awesome horns are perfect for soccer. I have an idea. With your magic and my awesomeness, we'd be an unstoppable team. Trouble at the bank? Pow! Taste my cloven justice. You've been unicorned. Wow! Nice, right? Hiya! Whoop! Ha! Sure, or we can go to the park and play. You know something, Unicorn? I had a feeling we'd be friends. Craft time! Today, for our craft, we're going to be making a unicorn plate. Okay, you can use this plate as a mask or you can hang it up, whatever you like. So all of the pieces are in your activity kit. If you don't have an activity kit, you can go to our website and you can download some of the printable pieces. You'll just have to provide a paper plate. Okay, so
I've got my paper plate. You're also going to need some scissors, some glue, and also some crayons. Let me get my crayons out. There they are. Okay. And we're going to get started first. I'm going to cut out my mouth part. So it looks like this. Yours may be in a different color than mine. If you print it and it's white, you can always color it in with your crayons or markers. So let me cut this piece out. And you don't know what shape this is? Do you know what shape this is? It's an oval. All right, so we're gonna glue this on. Let me get my glue stick. And it's gonna go at the bottom, towards the bottom, because that's where the unicorn's mouth is. All right. Now, next we're going to add the cheeks, because the unicorn has hearts for cheeks. So in your kits, you should have 2 hearts. You're going to glue those down, right where your cheeks go. And it's okay, because I'm using this purple glue, it'll dry clear. And if you don't have glue, you can always use tape. Okay, so the next piece, because I'm going to draw the eyes last, the next piece we're going to add is the ears, and we're also going to add the horn. So you may have a piece like this and you're going to color it. Okay, after you color the pieces, you're going to cut them out. You should have 2 ears and 1 unicorn horn. At the very top of your plate, we're going to glue the horn. Put some glue there, right there. And then I'm going to stick the horn down, and I like to count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to put glue at the very bottom of the ears and stick them behind the plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. Okay, now it's not finished yet because we need to add all of the beautiful little ribbon pieces and the flowers. So we're going to take whatever color strips are in your kit, or if you just want to cut some more strips out of any color you like, and we're going to glue these down under the horn. And they're going to be covered up by the flowers, so it's okay if it looks different. Okay. I'm putting 4 on mine. You can put as many as you want. And I'm going to trim this one because my unicorn doesn't want the little hair pieces in his eyes or her eyes. And then I'm going to put some glue on top there, and I'm going to add the flowers, and my flowers are all my favorite color, which is pink. Okay, so there's that. We still need to add some strips here. Okay, I want to show you, I glued my strips on the back part by the ears, and then when I turn it over, ooh, fancy. Now we need to add some eyes for our unicorn. Let me show you what our example looks like. So we are going to either you can use a black crayon or a black marker. I'm going to use the marker. And if you want to, you can even use a pencil at first and go over it with the crayon or the marker. So you're going to make a curve that looks kind of like you're making a U shape, and another curve. And then you're going to add the little eyelashes, which are just little lines. You can add as many as you want, or you can leave it without eyelashes. Okay. And there is my finished unicorn. I can't wait to see your unicorns. You'll have to show me the pictures on our Facebook page. I'm so excited you joined me today for Unicorn Story Time and for our craft, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.